Hey everyone, Henry Yellow here, welcome back. I know my hair is a mess, just ignore it. I just came back from badminton and I just took a shower and right now I'm feeling pooped. But before I go to bed, I just thought I'd share a little something. Now I'm sure you already know based on the title of this video. So here's the story. What happened was a few days ago, I bought some bananas and I left them hanging in the kitchen. And the next day, when I went down to take a look at the bananas, to have a banana for myself, I realized there were bite marks on it. So my first thought was, oh my goodness, a rat ate my bananas. I mean, I've never seen a rat around the house, so how could there be a rat? On second thought, I thought, nah, couldn't be possible unless the rat knows aeronautics? No, I mean acrobatics. So on closer inspection, I found out that, wait a minute, those don't look like bite marks. Those look more like pecking marks, like a bird. And I can also see the signs of claws on the other bananas where the bird was, clinging onto as it was pecking. Sorry, I don't have any pictures or videos to show you. I know, shocking, right? I don't take any pictures or videos of everything that happens in my life. So sorry about that. Because my first thought after I realized it was a bird was to just immediately cut up the banana and put it by the window, somewhere where I hope the bird could see, and then hopefully I can take a few videos of the bird eating the banana. And that's why we have this video today. Now at first I put my phone, because I was using my phone, I can't afford a camera. I have other equipments which I prioritize buying over a camera. And I haven't even bought those equipment yet. So really, camera is the last thing I want to buy. So I used my phone to record, so the quality is a bit bad. Apologize for that. So I put the phone just leaning on a water bottle. And that's why you see this video right here, because I completely forgot that I have a tripod stand. And after a while of going back and forth every 30 minutes, just, trimming the phone so the memory doesn't run out, I realize I have a tripod stand. And later on you'll see that I have it's a better angle. I was able to put my phone at a better angle and capture videos of the bird eating bananas. So I'm just gonna go away now and let y'all enjoy this bird that's eating a banana. Actually, I can't recognize this bird. I don't know what type of bird this is. So if you all know what's the name of this bird, just let me know in the comments.